Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here. Today's video is part of the frankincense mini series that we've started, talking about the benefits of frankincense as well as its uses, some warning signs, and we've also just started a little mini series in between that, handling a couple of ailments and problems that frankincense has been proven and known to help with. And we also talk about the scientific research as well as give you some dosage recommendations, so then in the end you can actually decide and make an informed decision whether to use frankincense as part of your treatment plan or not. Today we're just going to talk about how frankincense may fight certain cancers according to recent scientific studies. The boswellic acids that frankincense contains might prevent cancer cells from spreading. A review of test tube studies notes that boswellic acids may also prevent the formation of DNA in cancerous cells, which would help limit cancer growth. Moreover, some test tube research shows that frankincense oil may also be helpful in distinguishing cancer cells from normal ones, killing only the cancer cells. So far, test tube studies suggest that frankincense may fight breast, prostate, pancreatic, skin, and colon cancer cells. One small study indicates that it may also help reduce side effects of cancer. When people getting treated for brain tumors took 4.2 grams of frankincense or a placebo each day, 60% of the frankincense group experienced reduced brain edema, which is an accumulation of fluid in the brain, compared to 26% of those given the placebo. However, more research in humans is needed. Compounds in frankincense may help kill cancer cells. Frankincense may also help prevent tumors from spreading, according to recent scientific studies. Now you know the importance of frankincense when it comes to cancer prevention and possible treatment. If you know anyone who's suffering from cancer, please share this video. It might be helpful. Please get them to go to a naturopath or a holistic practitioner and inquire about using frankincense and implementing it into their natural treatment routine. I hope this video is helpful. Subscribe, like, and share for more. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.